Bluatife Odukomaya. Um, I'm a business analyst. Um, Also, I'm a product owner, and I tried product design for some time. Yeah, because I like to try new things. And yeah, so tonight I'll just be taking you through who is a BA, what does it entail, who is a business analyst, and what does it entail to be a business analyst, who can become a business analyst. Yeah, so first things first, who is a business analyst? A business analyst is a person who processes, interprets, and documents business processes, products, services, and software through analysis of data. What does that mean? Like, what is big grammar? What does it actually mean? It means that you are a person that the business comes to discuss their vision with, and then you need to analyze that vision that they've brought to you if the right solution or the solution they are proposing is the right one that they need for that particular time. Simply put, you are the bridge between the business and the development team. So you are the middle guy that takes the information, you understand the vision of the business, and then go back to the team and then begin to break it down to them into deliverables that can be achieved at the end of the day. So you do that through documenting through. So simply put, in layman terms, you are speaking a lot to the business to really understand, asking a lot of questions. In the process, you are also documenting whatever the business is saying and also understand the vision of the business. So who should be a business analyst? Anyone at all can become a business analyst. It all depends on your training, giving yourself to training and um, how well you can. Like if you believe you can do it, you can do it. So in the coming slides, I will just help you streamline um what makes a business analyst. So yeah, um some of the things that a business analyst does. Like if you enjoy writing, business analysis is for you. You enjoy writing, you see yourself as somebody that enjoys writing stuff. You because in business analysis we write a lot. You enjoy problem solving. When there's a problem, you're excited, you want to solve it, you want to provide solution to people. You love to communicate in clear terms. Um, you you don't have a problem with breaking down ambiguity. You're not afraid to break down things into smaller things in a way that anybody can understand it. You can negotiate your way out of issues. You love processes and processing things. The business analysis is for you. Yeah. Also, you are creative and innovative. You are not afraid to carry out research because in business analysis, we do a lot of research. You enjoy investigating the root cause of a problem. You are not afraid of change. So there's so much but these few things will really help you. If you already have this personality, then you are well on your way, but it can also be learned. All right. So what are the tools that you'll be exposed to as a business analyst in Blue Sky? We have Balsamic, Visio, Miro, Mural, Figma, Azure DevOps, Jira, and several collaborative tools. I'll just briefly walk us through what each of them do. Balsamic is a wireframing tool that helps with prototyping, which business analysts will be exposed to in the coming days. So, what is prototyping? Really is just creating mock-ups so that it helps your stakeholders better understand. It gives visuals to what you're trying to explain. So, sometimes some people work better with visuals, some work better, like there are times that you have to create these voluminous documents, and if you can simplify it into visuals, some stakeholders will prefer that. Also, Visio is a process mapping tool. You use it to draw processes because it's important for when you are doing a project, it's important for the processes to be understood. And Visio is one tool that helps us map processes, which you will also understand as the day goes by. How to use it will teach you how to use it, how to be you'll be exposed to this, and you will see how it works. It's very interesting because you're connecting things together that can help um, build the solution that you are thriving for. Um, we also have Miro. Miro is a collaborative tool. You can use it for brainstorming as well, because we do a lot of brainstorming as BAs, like when we do workshops with our stakeholders. Is a tool that we can use. Mural as well is another collaborative tool. Excuse me, it's another collaborative tool that we use. You can use it for a lot of things, like brainstorming. You can use it to design processes. You can use it to create flow charts, as the case may be. Figma is also another mock-up tool, just like Balsamic, but it's way more advanced. A lot of UX designers use it, but you can use it as well because it has a lot of things for we as BAs, a lot of tools that we can use to um, create interaction with our stakeholders. Then Azure DevOps is a product management tool, which you guys will be exposed to everyone, even though you are not a business analyst. It's not only business analyst that uses Azure DevOps. The same with Jira and several other collaborative tools that are important for you to be exposed to. So, what will you be gaining at the end of internship if you choose to become a business analyst, or you choose to train as a business analyst? What will you be gaining? You will know how to gather requirements and interpret it. That's requirement engineering. You will understand what this concept means. You will understand how to gather requirement, the techniques you need, because there are several techniques. You will understand how to interpret these requirements so that your development team can understand and grasp it, and then you'll be able to deliver the project. You will learn different elicitation techniques, which are used for requirements gathering. You will understand process improvements. So how do we improve a particular process if we are not working on a greenfield project? So what greenfield project means is a project that is new, nothing, no enhancement. You are building it from scratch. But in a situation where you find yourself that a project has already been built, or a product has already been built, and they invited you for enhancement, how are you going to do that? You're going to be learning that. You're going to be learning report generation, because as BAs, we create a lot of reports, um, release notes, user guides. There are a lot of reports that we do um, as business analysts. You're going to be learning user acceptance testing. So when we write user stories and acceptance criteria, which you understand better in the course of the study. So when we do that, because we are the ones that are giving the requirements, so we are the ones telling the development team that this is the end goal. Before we can accept that this product is done, we have to do some testing, and it's always called user acceptance testing. So we are representing the users. how we'll use the system, how a user will use the system, and then we can say yes to this product or no to the product. Facilitation of BAU, so business as usual, like I said, there are some, so when a project is done, or when, maybe for instance, you found yourself in an enhancement project or a new project, so how do they translate from this new product that has been created to what they do on a day-to-day basis? So that's business as usual. Then you understand how to identify your stakeholders, because this is very, very important. There are a lot of people in the organization, but it's not everybody that you're going to gather requirements from. Who are the important people that you need to gather requirements from? You'll be you'll be understanding how to go about this and how to identify your stakeholders. You also learn how to manage stakeholders' expectations, because this is very important. If you don't manage stakeholders' expectations well, you can get into some scuffle that you don't want to be in. Excuse me. So understanding managing stakeholders' expectation is very, very key as a business analyst. So which means that you will learn how to communicate to people, you will learn how to understand how they are feeling. You will not over promise and under deliver. It's part of stakeholder management. You will learn professionalism, which is very important, because you are dealing with people. You deal with people every single day, and you want to ensure that at the end of the day, they are satisfied, because these are customers. These are your stakeholders are they are either customers, users, business owner, also your team that is working, and all of this will be brought to light um during the course of the study. So the interesting part of wanting to be a business analyst here, salary. Yeah, so um I got this from a website called Indeed. I think I got it from Indeed. So this is the average. I mean, this is the entry level salary for business analysts in the city of London, 36,500, and the average um is 79,125. And as a senior business analyst, you can earn as high as this. But I just want to say that it's all about your negotiating power. It's all about how you can speak during an interview, how you can sell yourself. So don't let these salary ranges limit you. And also, it's about the value that you're bringing to the organization. But yeah, so it was is a very short one. Is just to tell you what you can expect as a business analyst coming into Blue Sky, and what you will gain at the end of the day. Thank you very much. We'll take questions once Uzo is done. Thank you.
Alrighty, thank you so much. Thank you, Bolu. As usual now, you always deliver for us. Thank you. Let me stop this recording first.